Hello everyone, today we are going to make a Cartesian diver. So it's in the bottle. I squeeze the bottle, it's sink, and I release the bottle. It's go top of the bottle. Again squeeze, sink, go up, squeeze, sink, release, go up. So it's made by dropper and clip part. Clip part is for balance. Heavy object at the bottom to be on balance. And that's it. Here comes the explanation how it works. Okay, here's the explanation of Cartesian diver. We have a bottle full of water and inside there is a dropper. And the level of water in the dropper is chosen in such a way that it's floating next to the top of the bottle. We squeeze the bottle, then the pressure inside increase and water from the bottle go inside. The air bubble is squeezed. It becomes heavier and drops down to the bottom of the bottle. And if we release it, the air bubble inside push back the water. The water gets out, it gets lighter, and it got to the top of the bottle. That's how Cartesian diver works. If you like, then you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.